Hey guys, I know you guys saw a little bit of this when I was doing my unboxing, but this is where we are in my office. This is the progress I've made. I finally got my shelves and my desk and my chair. So where should we begin? So we'll start with the shelving. I got the shelves from CB2. I think they're called the Teso Shelving, and they are black metal and with glass. And I kind of wanted my office to be minimal, spacious, and clean lines once again. And again, the color of my theme is black, white, and a hint of gold. So let's see, I guess you can say, my design style is more or less, I guess, minimal, modern, minimal, because I don't like a lot of pictures. I just like just a few decorations, but I like it to stay really clean and slick. So some things I got on it. These two picture frames come from IKEA. They were actually in a collage. There's several of them. There's one there, and I don't know where the other ones are. But these little candle holders here, tea light holders, I got those from IKEA, which goes along with the decor. So this and sign I've been having for like a long time, and it has a little bit of gold in it. Well, a lot of gold, brown, but it really works well on the shelving. If you can kind of see the gold in it, can't tell, but it's got a lot of gold in it. And then I got these these picture frames from Home Goods. They're also trimmed in gold, and I haven't put any pictures in it. More than likely I will put my grandkids' pictures in it. So here on this shelf here, I have the other, or two more of the pictures that was in that IKEA collage. I have a Joe Malone candle, and the scent of this candle, it smells so good. It's Peony and blush Suede. You guys need to try that. It smells so good. So these are DIY from my previous apartment. Cute little flowers. Just sitting on there. And I also have this Hourglass. I got it from IKEA. Little gold and beads is cute. So I did do a DIY on these books that I actually covered. This knot I got from Living Spaces, and there is another picture frame that I got from Home Goods. Here I have a plant. That the only thing I'm good at not killing as plant wise is an ivy. So if you can see these curtains, they're also a linen, just like the ones in my beauty room, but these are white. I love these, and as you can see, they do go all the way to the floor. This curtain rod here, I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. So for this cabinetry here, guys, I hope you can see it. It has like a bronzy color handles on it. It's got the two doors there, and then it has two glass doors here. So I got this to store paperwork in here. I have two little bowls. This used to be this bowl here used to be a kind of like a light baby blue, so I didn't want that, so I spray painted it black. And in here I keep some of my cords, you know, that I use for different things, computer and attaching my camera and stuff to computer. And then this smaller one here, I keep all of my iPhone gadgets, a few flash drives here, and that's it. And that's what I keep in there. I just didn't like a whole lot of clutter. Nothing on the bottom shelf. And I love this. Oh yeah, this cabinet comes from Home Depot. Believe it or not, I had to put it together, but it comes from Home Depot. Soft close doors. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, see, soft closed doors. So in here, more organization required. I have some letters. I need a drop letter box so I can go through my mail, put it in there daily and go through with it. I have extra paper, and here I keep my printer. I have a printer there, and I keep some books, pens, just stuff I need for my office. Here I keep in this cabinetry. And over here I have absolutely nothing, just a jar, clear jar, clear base. So I haven't figured out, here's the other couple of pictures, haven't figured out what I'm going to do with those and my certification. Okay guys, I have added additionally these pictures, and it's on the back wall behind my desk area here. And I love the frames, and I actually do like what's inside the frames. It's like a print. I guess this is of a balloon. I got these from Target, and this one is like a bicycle. It's just kind of basic print, kind of neutral colors in it. So this is my addition to the back wall behind my desk. Now, I will not keep these pictures. I just haven't found what I am looking for this space behind my desk. I do have something in mind that I am going to put on there, and that is, like I said on the before, is a future update. But that color of paint there on that wall, I was testing out if I wanted to paint the office walls an actual different color, and I am still out to lunch. It's very subtle, but I think I want to tone down the white. And I don't currently have a rug. I haven't decided what that's gonna be either. So yes, and I finally hung my blueprint of my picture here, and it's kind of on the wall, or the, never mind that ladder. It's on the wall where the doors are, and it may or may not stay there. It's a picture, kind of got a glare there, blueprint of my home. And I have not at all decided, let's back up, what I'm going to put between these two shelves. This is my desk. I got this desk from Wayfair. Now this was very, very hard for me to get. I really wanted the black one to match the legs. I had ordered this desk, I think it's the Brady desk on Wayfair. I ordered this desk, but all the way back in August. It said November, then they pushed it back to December, then they pushed it back to like February, and it kept going up on the price. So I kept searching for it. So what I did was I went to dining room table, Brady. This table I think is maybe a couple of inches wider this direction, but the desk is the same length. I think it's 55. It's just a little deeper here. I don't know whose dining room table this would be fit for, but it works perfectly for my desk. And I went ahead and got the bronze gold legs. Didn't have an option. And this dining room table was $200 cheaper than the desk that was on back order for months. Funny how that works, but I am glad to have it. I was gonna spray paint the legs, but I decided not to because that little bronze color legs match the bronze in this chair. This chair also comes from Wayfair. I'll link all that down below. I wanted something more, I guess you can say, modern. So let me tell you a little story, guys. This chair, these, what are these called? These nail heads or whatever. What came with the chair, they were like chrome. So I had these that I ordered, these bronzy colored ones. I had these already for some other project. I took the chrome ones off and added these, and it matched my table perfectly. So I'm gonna turn this around and see, can I get a close up? It's nighttime in here, so it's kind of hard for you to see. Can you see that bronze? Oh my goodness. It took a long time to pull out all of those and replace them with these, but I am very happy with the outcome on that DIY. And again, like I said, I will link down in the bottom bar below the chair, the desk, the shelving, and the cabinet. And of course, on my cabinet, I have this. I think I got this at West Elm, maybe Home Goods. I don't know. I've been having it a long time, and it works well in this room. And I have my Obama book that my friend gave me. And all I have here is just some gold coasters and a diptyque candle. So that's all I have in this room. So as you guys can see, I did have an in-floor plug added because I didn't want the cords running like under the table, behind the desk, across the floor to the wall. So I thought that was a good investment. I had that added to the room. So that's it for my office.